Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about speed and velocity. If you remember, yesterday we have discussed about speed. What do you mean by speed? Distance covered by the body per unit time is known as speed. Speed is a thing which tells us that how fast or how slow a body is moving. We can easily find out the distance of a body covered if we know speed and time. And we have also discussed it that the SI unit means the International System of Unit for speed is meter per second. Speed is a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude, not direction. So if I will say that a man is moving with a speed of 40 km per hour, then anyone can ask, but in which direction? So we cannot specify it with the help of speed, because speed is that quantity which has only magnitude but not direction. We have discussed one more heading yesterday, which is average speed. What is average speed? Average speed is total distance covered upon total time taken. Now, there is a such quantity which tells us speed with direction? Yes, that such quantity is velocity. What do you mean by velocity? Velocity is displacement per unit time is known as velocity. And its formula is displacement upon time. SI unit of velocity is also meter per second. You know that for a moving body, displacement can be zero. If a body, after moving from one point to another, again comes back to its initial position, then its displacement will be zero. So, it is possible for average velocity to be zero. Velocity for a moving body can be zero. The value of average velocity for a moving body can be zero. And we can easily understand it that because the velocity is equals to displacement per unit time, the average velocity is also displacement per unit time, and displacement can be zero when the body is coming to its initial position. In the same way, if we will find out the velocity, average velocity will be equals to displacement per unit time, and if a body is moving from A point to B and again coming back to position A, in that case displacement will be zero and the average velocity will also be zero. But for a moving body, the average speed can never be zero. Velocity, since it has magnitude as well as direction, that is why velocity is known as scalar quantity, and it can be negative because you know that the body can move in opposite direction also. But the value of speed can never be negative. It is always positive. So we can differentiate between speed and velocity in this way, that speed is distance per unit time is known as speed, while the displacement per unit time is known as velocity. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. The SI unit of velocity is also meter per second. For a moving body, it cannot be zero. For a moving body, average velocity can be zero. It is always positive. Velocity can be negative also. It is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. Now we will solve one numerical. A scooterist covers a distance of 3 km in 5 minutes. Calculate his speed in centimeter per second, मीटर पर सेकेंड एंड किलोमीटर पर आवर। एक स्कूटरिस्ट है जो टोटल 3 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर करता है 5 मिनट्स में, तो हमें उसकी स्पीड फाइंड आउट करनी है सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड में, मीटर पर सेकेंड में एंड किलोमीटर पर आवर में। सो लेट्स सॉल्व इट। The best way to solve a numerical is first of all to write the given material. किसी भी न्यूमेरिकल को सॉल्व करने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है कि हम सबसे पहले गिवन मटेरियल लिख लें. सो द गिवन थिंग विच इज in question is distance, which is 3 kilometer, time, which is 5 minute. These two values are given in the question. Distance is 3 kilometer and time is 5 minute. Now, in the first part, we have to convert it into centimeter per second. हमको इसे centimeter per second में change करना है. We know the formula of speed, which is distance per unit time. Now, distance is 3 kilometer, time is 5 minute. Now, we know that 1 kilometer has 1000 meters and 1 meter has 100 centimeter. In the same way, 1 minute has 60 seconds, so 5 minutes has 5 into 60 seconds. If you will solve it, it will comes out to be 1000 centimeter per second. Now the second part, we have to convert this speed again into meter per second. So again we are applying the same formula. Speed is equals to distance per unit time. Now distance is 3 kilometer, time is 5 minute. 3 kilometer, we will convert it into meter. So 3 into 1000. Time is 5 minutes, so 5 into 60. 5 into 60 will be 300. When we will cut it down, it will comes out to be 10 meter per second. Now, next we will convert it into kilometer per hour. We know the formula. Speed is equals to distance per unit time. Here, the distance is 3 kilometer and the time is 5 minutes. We have to convert this time into hours. For converting this time into hours, we are dividing it with 60. So 3 upon 5, 60 will go upside. So 3 into 60 upon 5, when we will cut it down, it will comes out to be 36 kilometer per hour. We can solve all the numerical in this way. Thank you.